In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write text here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do. First off, we need to add our text. So we come over here to the left-hand side where it says T. Now, if we click on there, we can add a heading, we can also add a subheading, and we can add a little body of text as well. Now, if you want to use a keyboard shortcut, we can simply press T on the keyboard and it's going to add our text. Now let's delete that bit like that, because to change this and add your own is really simple. What we want to do is double click onto the text, then you can add your own, just like that. Now when it comes to text, we have a lot of different options. So what we want to do is click onto the text. So we have this toolbar up here. Now from here we can play around with all of the different types of fonts which Canva has. You can search for a certain type as well here in the search bar. We can also play around with the font size by decreasing by using this plus icon or minus icon as well, or we can simply click onto the numbers and choose the one we want or add a different number. Now we can also play around with the color of the font, where we can add our own by clicking on this little color palette and adding the hex code color just there. We can also use this little eyedropper and choose any color from our canvas which is on the screen, just like that. And we also have default colors which are just here as well. Now we can also bold this text. This is already bold, so if I click on there, it's going to unbold it. If I click on it again, it's going to bold. We can italic this text as well, underline, and also strike through. Now let's get rid of that for a second, just like so, because we still have a few different options. Now let's just make that a little bit bigger like that, because what we can also do is align this text. So if we click onto the alignment icon just here, we can align to the left, we can align, or should I say justify text as well. Then we can also align to the right and align to the center. Now if you want to make bullet points, we can do that just here by clicking on lists. If we click on that more than once, it's going to change that to a number. If we click on it again, it's going to disappear. Then we also can play around with spacing as well by increasing or decreasing this bar. And if you have more than one line, let's just copy this. Let's come here and let's make 2 lines as well, because what we can also do is click back onto there and play around with the line spacing. Now there is effects which we can use as well. So if we come up to effects, we have all these different options to choose from. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to write text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.